Hey, KW Madison, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a class that we have coming your way on Wednesday, September 14th. And it's actually a day's worth of training, and all of these hours are going to be certified for CE credit in the state of Alabama. So you guys are going to not only get trained, but you're also going to get some CE credit. So join us on that day. We're going to start at 9 a.m. and we're going to start with Generate More Leads for free. This is a hands-on workshop, so bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to apply the techniques that I'm going to share with you. The records for this class, let's see if we can break them. 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent and an $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes. So let's see if we can break those records. That's going to be a hands-on workshop in the morning. We're going to take our lunch break. We'll come back. We'll start at 12:30. We're going to go 12:30 to 3:30. And what we're going to do is talk about how to get on the first page of Google in days. And I'm going to show you a couple of different techniques. We're going to do Google My Maps. We're going to do Google Local Guides. These are techniques that are completely free. Most real estate agents don't take advantage of this. You will, because you're going to be in the class and you're going to be able to get to the first page of Google on a desired search in a matter of days. So join us on September 14th. RSVP information is going to be below. Sign up to save your spot, and I'll see you then. Thanks.